Hey Chronicle crew, today I'm going to attempt to put some of this golden window tint on our windows. That is the 3 Safari window plexiglass openings in the back and the kitchen window here, which is a little bit smaller than the other 3. So what I'm doing first is I've measured out the windows using this cool digital tape measure, which tells you the exact number. So I've measured 42 inches across and 22.5 inches high. So now I've got some tracing paper. I've marked off a section that's 42 inches long, and I'm going to cut it because it's only 12 inches wide. So I'm going to have to put 2 pieces together to kind of make the template. I expect I will make mistakes along the way. Alright, so let's hope that's square. You know the saying, measure once, cut twice. And it does appear to be square. Cool. Now I just have to cut it square. It's about not long ago. There we go. Now I just gotta make another piece. I've placed a cardboard piece underneath this so that when I cut through this paper, I don't cut through to our table. Of course, hopefully the stupid knife is not too dull, even though I just did this tip out not long ago. There we go. Now I just gotta make another piece. All right, well, I didn't measure the second piece, but I'm using the first piece. Come on, you. Why are you being like that? So the goal here is to now take these ends together so that I can place this across the width of the window and then trace the hardware so that I can cut the filter. And so now it's 24 inches long. What did I do here? Why is that sticky out? And a little wide, but that's good because now it's just a little bit taller than the window. I guess maybe what I'll do here to make things a little more. That's the fun part about dealing with workspaces that are just not optimal. Come on. Hey, before we get too far today, here's what it would look like outside. Get it, maybe. Alright, maybe this will be easier. Here's what it would look like outside. So is that good?
Yeah.
I mean, is the color okay? Should we go with a different color?
Do you want to go look outside?
Well, you should go look outside since you're the arbiter of taste. No, you go outside.
Well, you go first when you come back.
Okay. I mean, it looks okay to me. What's the verdict?
Did you buy the silver too?
I did not. We talked about it, but you said no. You did. You said just go with the gold. So the answer is disapprove. Thumbs down.
Well, I think I would have liked to see the silver too.
I can order the silver one. It's just going to take a little time to get here and then look at it, which is fine. I can still make the template today so that when we get around to it. So you want me to hold off on this for now? Okay then. That's the verdict. So I got the top taped up and aligned mostly edge to edge, but not entirely. And didn't really think about this before, I guess, but some of the hardware extends outside, which is going to make this a little less than accurate. Okay, well, I ran out of tape, so I grabbed some more. Got some leakage here from the spray. Oh my god, I felt that on my leg and I was like, what is that? It's the leash. Radar, please don't burn my legs. Oh no, maybe a softer pencil would be better. Oh, let's hope this doesn't disintegrate the paper. That is why I'm not a doctor. Well, besides that, I didn't feel like I felt too lazy to study.